Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be doing a full face of only drugstore makeup, so let's go. I always like to start with browns, so today we're going to be using the Lotte London Mega Brown Shaping Wax. I love this wax because it's very clear and it keeps your browns steady and in shape all day long. Moving on to toner, I love and I've been loving this toner so much. This is the Ordinary Milk Toner. Then again, it's super affordable and it just makes my skin look so glowy, and I don't even need to apply moisturizer after this because it's that good. And then I applied primer. This is the Beauty Crop Richery Gripping Primer. I love this primer not only because it gives the perfect grip for your makeup, but it's also hydrating and keeps your skin hydrating throughout the day. Even though if you're gonna stay with your makeup for more than 8 hours, that just gives that grip to your makeup and looks beautiful. And of course, my most used foundation of 2024, the Makeup Revolution Skin Silk Luminous Serum Foundation. I've talked so much about this foundation on here already, but as you guys can see, it is the perfect foundation. It's super affordable, the coverage is amazing, and also has the skincare benefits on it. So yeah, I'm here for it. Next up is my favorite, the H&B Cosmetics Glossy Skin Bronze Tint. This is the new shade that they just added to the collections, the 7.5. And look at that shade. The color, it's insane. It's beautiful. It just mattes my skin. It melts like butter. And I believe now they have 12 shades available. The e.l.f. Cosmetics Camo Liquid Blush in the shade Coral Crush. It's a beautiful orange shade because I feel like it matches my skin tone so well, and as you guys can see, it's so easy to blend. Moving on to concealers, L'Oreal True Match Radiant Serum Concealer. I have two shades, shade 6N and 8N. I love using both of these together, one to brighten and one to just conceal. I also conceal under my brows as well, then I blend. Also, by the way, I'm using this Pround Refresher Hydrating Face Mist. I like to apply this all over my face just before I blend everything. And all the brushes that I'm using are from H&B Cosmetics. They came out with a whole set of brushes, including eye, face, and powder brushes. It's so hard to pick up a drugstore powder just because they have so many available right now. But for today's video, I picked up the Juvia's Place setting powder in the shade Cookie Dough. It's a perfect yellowish shade and it just sets my makeup really well. I really like to use this, especially if I'm going out at night or if it's a really hot day. I love using these, especially in my T-zone area. Makeup Revolution came out with a few of these eyeshadow palettes and I've been testing them a lot. I must say I really like the pigment of these palettes and they are very affordable and it's just so easy to blend. I believe I use only 3 shades of this palette and I came up with this beautiful eye look. It's just incredible and so easy to do it. Especially the shimmer, it's very creamy and it's not messy at all. Moving on to my all-time favorite bronzer from Juvia's Place. It's the bronzer palette in the shade Dark. And for blush, the NYX Buttermelt Blush. Such a beautiful shade and very pigmented. And my favorite lip combo at the moment is the H&B Cosmetics Lip Liner in the shade 08. Very easy to blend. And the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink Long Lasting Lipstick. I believe my favorite shade is 35 Cheeky. And to top it up, the Maybelline Lifted Gloss. I love applying a gloss on top of lipstick. It just makes my lips look so yummy, so delicious. I don't know, it's just very nice. Last but not least, the e.l.f. Cosmetics Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. Now, if you like a dewy finish, this is the setting spray for you. And here is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.